Hello everyone. Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install the NDI plugin on OBS Studio step by step. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. Step 1. The first thing you need to do is head over to the OBS project website. There, you can find the NDI plugins that you want to use. Step 2. Once you're on the plugin page, you might see a download button right away. From here, you can either download the exe setup file, or in our case, the zip file, which we'll be using today. After downloading the zip file, open it, and you'll see two folders, Data and OBS-Plugins. Step 3. Now we need to open File Explorer and navigate to the location where your OBS is installed. Once you're in the OBS Studio folder, you'll see a similar setup with the Data and OBS Plugins folders. At this point, we'll extract the files from the zip and copy them into the corresponding folders in the OBS directory. Step 4. To do this, simply drag the extracted files from the zip into the appropriate Data and OBS Plugins folders in the OBS directory. If prompted, allow it to replace any existing files. Step 5. Now, let's launch OBS and check if the plugin was installed successfully. When OBS is open, right-click in the Sources box, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching.